Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of blockchain, hacking, coding and technology. Please like and subscribe. Digital Sleuths takes us on a thrilling journey into the world of cybersecurity, where the power of information and the battle for digital privacy collide. In this tech drama, we follow a group of individuals as they navigate the complexities of Google Dorking and social engineering, all while grappling with the ethical implications of their actions. Before we delve deeper into our thrilling narrative, let's take a moment to understand the basics of Google Dorking. Google Dorking, also known as Google hacking, is a technique that utilizes advanced search operators to find specific information hidden or unsecured on the internet. Imagine the internet as a vast library, and Google as the librarian. With these search operators, we're essentially asking the librarian for very specific books that might not be on the general shelves. For instance, file type can be used to search for specific file types like PDFs or Excel sheets, while INURL can find pages with a certain word in the URL. With these tools in hand, anyone can become a digital sleuth, uncovering the hidden secrets of the World Wide Web. But as we'll soon discover, with great power comes great responsibility. The internet is like an open book, and while it's exciting to uncover hidden chapters, it's also important to understand the risks. Unsecured data, such as sensitive personal information, can easily fall into the wrong hands. This could lead to identity theft, fraud, or even blackmail. For example, a simple Google Dorking query could potentially reveal an unsecured document containing your social security number, your email, or even your bank details. These pieces of information, once obtained, can be exploited by malicious individuals for their own gain. This is why it's crucial to ensure your personal data is secure. Always remember, the internet never forgets, and once your data is out there, it's almost impossible to take it back. Our story begins with an introduction to Google Dorking, as a cybersecurity class learns about the advanced search queries that can uncover sensitive information online. Little do they know, this newfound knowledge will soon lead them down a dangerous path. A hacker demonstrates the power of Google Dorking by finding unsecured personal data on a public server. This discovery sets the stage for our main characters, a cybersecurity analyst and a journalist passionate about digital privacy. Their paths will soon intertwine in ways they never could have imagined. The inciting incident occurs when the journalist stumbles upon a data breach through Google Dorking. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, they reach out to the cybersecurity analyst, setting off a chain of events that will unravel a larger conspiracy involving identity theft and corporate espionage. As our characters delve deeper into the web of deception, they encounter social engineering tactics such as phishing and pretexting. These techniques serve as a stark reminder of the risks involved in their pursuit of information. Their investigation takes a dark turn when they discover a list of targets for a massive cyber attack. The journalist is faced with an ethical dilemma, contemplating the consequences of publishing sensitive information that could potentially save lives, but also compromise security. Meanwhile, a rival hacker reveals the darker side of Google Dorking, showcasing how it can be exploited for malicious purposes. This revelation sparks a heated debate at a tech conference panel, where legal and ethical boundaries are questioned. In Act 3, our characters use advanced Google Dorking techniques to track the culprits behind the conspiracy. As they get closer to the truth, they confront their own ethical dilemmas, questioning the morality of their methods and the potential consequences of their actions. The climactic resolution comes in the form of a showdown, where intricate search queries are used to locate and stop the mastermind behind the cyberplot. But the story doesn't end there. Our characters reflect on the broader implications of their actions, realizing that the battle for digital privacy and security is an ongoing one. Digital Sleuths not only entertains, but also educates, exploring key themes such as the ethical implications of digital information gathering, the power and risks of Google Dorking and social engineering, and the constant struggle for digital privacy and security. In the aftermath of the showdown, our characters grapple with the consequences of their actions. They reflect on their journey, the uncovered personal data, the power they wielded, and the breaches they've caused. They ponder on the social engineering tactics they used, the targets they listed, and the darker side of Google Dorking they've seen. They discuss the implications of their actions on digital privacy and security, and the potential harm their skills could inflict if misused. As they look towards the future, They realize that the battle for digital privacy and security is far from over. They contemplate their future roles in the world of cybersecurity, understanding that with great power comes great responsibility. Their adventure has ended, but the story of digital privacy continues. As dawn breaks, our characters, with newfound resolve, decide to use their skills not for exploitation, but for the greater good. They pivot from their past actions, transforming their knowledge of Google Dorking into a tool for education. They launch a cybersecurity initiative, aiming to raise awareness about the risks and responsibilities of digital information gathering. They vow to use their expertise to empower individuals, to protect their digital privacy, and to enhance security measures. The journey they embarked on has not ended, but rather evolved into a mission to create a safer digital world. Their adventure has just begun, and they are ready to face whatever challenges lie ahead, armed with the power of knowledge and the will to make a difference. From the shadows of the digital world, our story draws to a close. The digital sleuths leave us not with an ending, but with a powerful message about the importance of digital privacy and security. Their journey, their transformation, serves as a stark reminder of the power and risks of digital information gathering. As they venture forth on their mission, they leave us with a call to action. A call to be more mindful of our digital footprints, to understand the implications of our online actions, and to strive for a safer digital world. So, as we navigate the vast expanse of the digital world, let us remember the lessons learned from digital sleuths and strive to be responsible, aware, and empowered digital citizens. Following the echo of their final message, our digital sleuths embark on a new journey. They launch their very own cybersecurity initiative, a beacon of hope in the dark recesses of the digital world. This initiative is not just a project, it's a mission to educate the public about the risks and responsibilities that come with digital information gathering. They aim to expose the hidden dangers, to shed light on the shadowy corners of the internet where data can be exploited, and to guide others on how to protect themselves. Their commitment to digital privacy and security is unwavering. They're not just pioneers, they're protectors, dedicating themselves to a safer digital world. With this initiative, they hope to empower individuals to protect their digital privacy and enhance security measures. This is their legacy, their gift to the digital world. As they step into this new chapter, they're not just digital sleuths, they're educators, they're guardians, they're the torchbearers of digital safety. As the end credits begin to roll, we take a moment to reflect on the journey of our characters. They started as curious investigators, delving into the world of Google Dorking, and ended up as champions of cybersecurity. Along the way, they've shown us the power and risks of data gathering, the dangers of unsecured personal data, and the dark side of social engineering. They've taught us advanced techniques, but more importantly, they've shown us how to use these skills responsibly, always with an eye towards privacy and security. The lessons they've imparted are invaluable. They've shown us that knowledge is power, but that power comes with responsibility. They've reminded us of the ongoing struggle for digital privacy and security, a struggle that we're all a part of, whether we realize it or not. As the screen fades to black, we are left with a sense of empowerment and a renewed commitment to digital privacy and security. Our journey with the digital sleuths may have come to an end, but the lessons they've taught us will continue to guide us in our own digital journeys. Their torch has been passed on to us, and now it's our turn to carry it forward, to become the guardians of our own digital worlds.